Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got another video for you guys. We're going to start wrapping this up and getting this enclosed. Today we're going to be putting the roof on and the rear windscreen. And so this is what we got right here. This is factory OEM from Honda. We picked up the roof right here. And then this right here is the windscreen that we picked up. Soft vinyl. It's got a zipper, so you'll be able to unzip it. And this is just going to go on the back of the unit. Honda does not make a poly rear windscreen, so we went with that. And then I like the Honda roof. It looks pretty easy to install, so we went ahead and went with this. It's pretty basic. It's not going to be a very long video. You just want to make sure that you take out these shipping pieces again. You don't need these. Same thing on the back here. And then I believe that one's already out. And so this is ready to go. This is going to be real easy, so we're going to do this last. First thing you want to do in here is we're going to take out the seats. And this is real easy right here. This just pops up right there and right there. And this is just going to come out like that. Set this aside. And then we're going to take out the back one, the back panel. Same thing. This is just going to lift up right there, right there. And then that comes out. So now you have total access to where we got to get to. So as you can see, we're going to be strapping this on the back here. So we're going to grab this here. And I didn't see too many videos on YouTube how to put this on. So I know it's not going to take long, but I figured I'd put it out there just in case anybody needs a hand. So you're just going to drape it over there. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and wrap this around the top bar. And then feed it through the buckle, like that. And then you're going to take this right here, and you're going to wrap it around this bar right here, up and through, just like that. We're leaving everything loose. Then you're going to come on down here to the bottom. You're going to take this strap off the lower buckle here, and you're going to feed this through the loop here, like that. You're going to tighten it down like that, and then you're going to feed it through the buckle, like that. Okay, we're going to leave it loose for now. And then on this side, we have a buckle right here. Go ahead and show them that buckle. This right here is going to go feed through underneath this bar here, and you're going to tighten that up. So go to the other side so they can see it. So you guys can see, I just fed it through this bar here. And then it's going to go through this buckle right here. It's a little tedious. Okay. And then you got these little straps right here. Just gonna bring those around. Come up there. And hook it up there. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to tighten everything up, and then we're going to move on to the roof. All right, so we're going to start with putting the back in. We did have to loosen up this so we can get it through the back. There we go on that one. Okay, we'll do the top. And there we go. You guys can see, just everything clamps in. It's pretty simple. Put the back in first. And then we'll have to rehook these up. That's simple. And then you're done. That side. And this side. There we go. You guys can see, you got the seats back in, and you can unzip this window, this rear window, from the outside or the inside. I'll show you from the outside so you guys can see it better. Just like that. You guys can see it doesn't hit in the back here. It's all covered up. So we'll close this back up. Back up, and there you go. We're nice and sealed up here too. This is all sealed. You guys can see it, but it's all nice and sealed. Can you get the camera up in there? It's all nice and sealed. Okay. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next thing we have to do is the doors. We got those right here, but we're going to save that for the next video. I hope if you're new to the channel, you guys like this kind of stuff, we appreciate you hit that subscribe button. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And with that being said, see you guys on our next one.